quality technical training and a powerful force. Industry relevant and performance ready. Ready and equipped to contribute to developing Trinidad and Tobago. From its original campus at Point Fortin to 11 nationwide, the vision of the National Energy Skills Center is to be the premier technical training provider in the development of a competent, innovative, and entrepreneurial workforce by transforming human capital through the application of advanced experiential methodologies. Diversified to meet the growing needs of the energy-related, construction, and industrial sectors, the NESC develops a competent human resource pool certified with practical, industry-aligned, and relevant training. Students enter the NESC seeking sound, accredited, tertiary and technical vocational education and training to improve their quality of life.
The first aspect of the course is safety. So that's the first thing that you will go through in your studies is safety is the number one priority.
Graduates leave with quality certification, opening doors to a myriad of career and further training options both locally and abroad. Graduates enjoy lucrative careers in every sector of the economy and are recognized as assets by their employers.
We have recruited 80% of our workforce in technical areas come out of the NESC program. We have 4 master technicians trained by our principals who all came through the NESC program.
You know, as an employer, we're always challenged, particularly for technical staff. NESC has been doing significant programs in key areas that are aligned with our brands.
The NESC's activities are driven by the needs of the industries it serves, a relationship embodied in a unique and powerful symbol, T to the power of I.
We had a strategic retreat, and it was a great opportunity for us to relook who we are, who do we want to become. And I challenged the team for us to make this one statement. What is our value proposition? What are we in business for? What do we do? And coming out of that retreat, we developed this logo that has T to the power of I. I think it was wonderful. It was a statement, and it meant trainees powered by industry. That's what we in business to be. So we wanted to make sure that we were very, very focused. We understood what our objectives were, and we wanted to produce a type of training that industry would be very happy about.
As the needs of industry evolve, so too does the training and certification available to students of the NESC. Whereas previously, industry needs allowed for certificate-level graduates to be employed as operators across a wide range of industries, today, the skill set required for these jobs have become enriched with the use of newer and constantly emerging technologies. In response, the NESC has now positioned students to be trained to diploma certification level, bringing their work readiness to the expectations of a constantly evolving industry. The NESC has instituted a 3-tiered approach to training, with fundamentals programs, craftsman's programs, and diploma programs in a range of occupational areas, including drilling operations, plant operations and maintenance, welding and fabrication, automotive and heavy equipment, and building construction and maintenance. The restructuring of the NESC suite of programs was spearheaded by an academic advisory council which includes experts from various sectors of the energy and energy-related industries. This council, along with the Curriculum Review Committee, forms an integral link between NESC's programs and industry best practices and brings expert insights into the program's design and curriculum development. The flagship suite of programs is NESC's diploma programs, with curricula aligned to that of Red Deer College of Alberta, Canada. Students undergo 2 years or 6 trimesters of learning and practical apprenticeship under the guidance of an experienced and qualified faculty. Upon successful completion, they receive the NESC diploma. The graduate then starts a journey in the industry towards accumulating 1,640 hours or 1 year of experience before qualifying for the NESC Journeyman and the Red Deer Trades Professional Certificate. As students follow the pathway of training towards certification, the ability to demonstrate skills, maintain professionalism, and learn new methods and techniques is fostered as in the workplace. These abilities are equally as important as understanding the fundamentals of safe and efficient equipment operation and maintaining a consistent quality of work.
Well, when you're certified, you're able to put your signature as a rig mechanic or something. You're not just a normal person walking around. You're a mechanic. You could be able to provide for your family better. You'll get a job in the industry. So when you're certified, you're much better.
One of the unique Journeyman program offerings is the Diploma Drilling Rig Operations, offered at the NESC's Drilling Academy, the first institution of its kind in the Caribbean, Central and South America.
NESC has been very important to the industry over the last decade or so on providing skilled technicians and craft workers for the industry. If you go back in the 60s and 70s, a lot of the tools were provided by the industry itself, and then the industry stopped doing that in the 80s, and NESC has really filled in the gap to provide those skilled people for the industry. So it has a very important role. And during the time when the industry was growing so strongly in the 90s and the 2000s, NESC was very important to that. Its role is changing a little bit now because the industry is no longer growing as much, but there's still a need for new skills. And particularly in the drilling area, there's going to be a big demand for drilling. And when we get through this low price period, there'll be a big demand again for drilling. So I think that NESC has a very important role to play in all of those sectors, but probably particularly in the drilling sector.
The NESC's reputation transcends nationals of Trinidad and Tobago to international students. Through partnerships with organizations in Nigeria, hundreds of nationals have earned NESC certification, adding a valuable human resource in various fields of work in that African nation.
Going to a place where you can do the exact practical of what you've been or what you're studying. NESC, right, they have the structure, they have a rig campus, so whatever you've been taught in the classroom, you have to go outside and do the practical.
Discussions are ongoing for TVET training, knowledge-based sharing, and partnerships with organizations from countries such as Haiti, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Brazil, and the Falkland Islands. The students of the NESC benefit from a holistic campus experience supported by dedicated faculty and staff. The NESC also provides customized technical training solutions to companies across all sectors of the local economy through its Business Development Department. Its highly cross-functional team works with industry clients to develop and market courses and programs to fill their employee skills gaps. The training contributes toward the building of the client's internal competency pool and is reflected in higher levels of efficiency and effectiveness. The NESC has launched thousands of careers since its inception in 1997. It looks towards the future with a focus on continuous improvement of its programs and an emphasis on green technology and environmental remediation. The National Energy Skills Center remains committed to providing quality training powered by industry.